Hello kids, welcome back to day 8. We have 8 days to go. Day 13 of embryology development, 8 days to go. Still a lot of action going on. Cartilaginous skeleton is relatively complete, so its structure is formed. Your words of the day are bantam, which is a small breed of chicken, broilers, which chickens that are bred solely for meat purposes, layer is a type of chicken that is bred to lay eggs. Standard means it's common among breeds. There's breeds of chickens just like there are breeds of cattle, breeds of dogs. And this last one, this big fancy word, is cartilaginous. That means it's got made of cartilage, which cartilage is a connective tissue, looks waxy. It's not hard like bone, but it is a connective tissue. Let's have some fun and let's head over to the lab for another egg experiment.
Hello, my name is Ronnie Cowan. I'm the 4-H agent and county director here in Okaloosa County. Today we're starting a series of events called Science Fair Fridays. Every Friday we're going to do an activity that you can do in your kitchen or at your home while we're all trying to stay safe with these current affairs. But today we have an exciting egg experiment today that we're going to try. We're going to float eggs. So what you will need is you'll need a pitcher of water, just regular tap water, 2 glasses that you can see through, 2 raw eggs at room temperature, and salt. So to begin, we're going to take 1 cup and fill it full of water. And you will need adult supervision like me because it's easy to make a mess. Take an egg, abracadabra, drop it in, and it's going to float to the bottom. Now, the trick of this experiment is to make an egg float. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill up a little water in. We're going to measure out 4 tablespoons of salt, and we're going to create a salt solution. So we pour our salt in. We're generous with the salt. We take our stir. We give it some swirls, try to get it all dissolved as much as possible. We can let that sit for a couple of seconds. If you like these experiments, these are free online activities. Please follow our Facebook page, 4-H Okaloosa. On our Facebook, we do updates. We'll post videos. We also have this on our brand new YouTube page, 4-H Okaloosa. Remember, type in 4-H first when you search. We will finish filling this up. Now let's see if we can make this egg float. All right, as you can see, we have successfully made that egg float. So what I want you to do, parents and 4-Hers, in the comments below, tell me why you think this egg is floating instead of sinking. I'll give you a hint, it has a lot to do with density and volume. So comment, feel free to ask questions. Tune in next week for another science fair project, and I'll reveal the results and the reasonings why this egg floats. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next week.